Today we'll be tying the improved clinch knot. So to start, we pass the line through the hole. Make sure this thing is long enough. And then we put the line under the other line. The shorter line will go under the longer line, and then we will turn it 5 to 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, once done, take the shorter end and go through the loop earlier on. Okay, and then we're gonna take the line and pass through this loop. Okay, before tightening further, I will put some lubricant, and then I'll pull it all the way. Okay, and cut off the excess.